If you're running a dropshipping store and not using TikTok SEO, you're missing out on free traffic that actually converts. Start by researching what your audience is already searching. Use TikTok's search bar, type in your niche or product, and look at the auto suggestions. Those are real keywords people are using daily, then build content around those terms and naturally say them in your video. Like TikTok can really just pick up those spoken words, not just captions. Use those same keywords in your on screen text, hashtags, and especially your caption. Instead of just a cool phone stand, you could just say best phone stand for online classes or Amazon must haves in 2025. Be specific and searchable. TikTok is becoming a search engine. The more clear and keyword rich your content is, the more it gets pushed to the right audience without spending a dollar on ads. If you want a keyword list for your niche or help writing captions that rank, like and subscribe and drop your product type in the comments. And if you got any questions as well, just drop them down below too in the comment section. So I will go ahead and make a video on those topics as well.